I think what the government is doing is the right thing. We need to ensure that Indian economy grows. Indian economy grows fast. We are already the, I think, fourth largest. We need to go towards the largest economy in the world. And I believe that the people who are running our country know exactly what they're doing, and they'll take it there.
And sir, how this decision, rate cut is going to impact your company?
No, there is no rate cut in my business. It's the same. It's the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, and how it is going to increase the consumption and impact the economy?
I think the more money that comes into the economy, the better it will be for individuals, for the consumers, and hopefully it has been done in a judicious manner, which also increases the revenues for the government, which means that the government will also be able to, with increased consumption, the government will also be able to spend more on the programs that we need to spend on.
And sir, how do you read the GDP numbers in Q1, which was 7.8% for the industry?
I think GDP growth, we are the fastest growing large economy. And the government deserves great credit for that. And I believe that with the actions that we are taking, despite whatever is happening in the rest of the world, India will continue to grow.